Did you know that you can earn a healthy income with language courses? And no, you don't even need to take them yourself. Hi YouTube, welcome to a new video series that I'm doing that will assist even the freshest of beginners at taking their first steps toward financial freedom. Two words that seem to elude many of us, myself included. I am your friendly affiliate Brent, and in today's episode I will be showing how you can earn significant income just by recommending online language courses. And no, you don't need to be fluent or an expert in any of them. You are simply going to help people find great ways to learn other languages and get paid for it with every recommendation. Now you might be asking yourself, how is this possible? Well, there are already great courses out there that teach other languages, and I'm sure you've heard of some of them already. But what you may not know is that many of these courses will actually pay you to recommend the course to a friend or a family member or anyone that's interested. And if they sign up for that course, well, you get a commission or a cut of that sale. It's called affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do it with a superior, high quality, and insanely popular program. And if you stay to the very end, I'll show you how you can steal a completely built out funnel from Anthony Morrison completely free to try out this method. But first, if you're new here, this channel is all about helping you make money online using affiliate marketing. So if that interests you, what I want you to do is hit the subscribe button below and also click that notification bell. You're going to be notified every single time I upload a video, which means you'll be the first to know when I've uncovered a new strategy that's working right now and that you can try out immediately. Also, it'll give you a chance to leave a comment early on after I release my videos and ask questions or offer some suggestions of what you'd like to see next. If you've never heard of affiliate marketing, you're going to love this one. Most methods online either make you create your own product or course or dropship something from overseas or wholesale it on Amazon, but affiliate marketing doesn't use any of that. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to, one, build your own website, you don't need to create your own products, and you don't even need to do any of the shipping or handling or customer service, which can be draining, especially for new entrepreneurs. You simply promote high quality products that people love and collect commission on every single time someone makes a sale. All right. So let's get into today's training. So the first step we're going to take is find a product to promote that we can earn a commission every single time someone makes a purchase. You know, I just read a stat the other day that says only 20% of students are required to take an international language course. And while that may seem super low, the fact is, as travel gets cheaper and the world becomes more connected, it's even more important now to learn a new language. These days, not many people are relying on textbooks or in-class sessions to learn another language. They're turning to online courses that can help them become fully immersed in the language and help them jumpstart their fluency. And one of the best tools out there for learning a new language happens to be on Clickbank, which is an affiliate marketplace I recommend quite a bit on this channel. So let me show you the right way to set this up and how you can begin promoting it for yourself. And again, if you know another language and you're into learning other languages, then this is a great niche for you to be in. But if you're not, that's okay too. The goal here is not to become a language instructor. You're simply a marketer for great products that people will love. So Clickbank is a marketplace for affiliate marketers like JVZoo and other marketplaces. It can be a gold mine of high commission, high quality affiliate marketing products, just like language learning courses or pet training courses for that matter. Affiliate marketers love Clickbank because they can promote dozens of different offers. Plus, it's free to sign up and new offers are always introduced constantly. Clickbank is especially great for those just beginning affiliate marketing because they can see a ton of offers in just one place. They also have a lot of categories, so while the language course is just an example, feel free to check out any of the other products that interest you, like health and the fitness niche or digital marketing or even the home improvement. They're all great niches. Now, before you can start finding affiliate offers, you'll need to create an account. You'll just need to go to clickbank.com, sign up at the top right, and fill out the details on the next page. After you sign up for an account, click on the marketplace icon on the left to view all of the awesome products and services that Clickbank has to offer. Secondly, you're going to introduce the offer. Now it's time to dive into finding valuable, high converting, high ticket products you can promote. Now that you're in the marketplace, search Spanish. You can use the search box on the right. Scroll down until you find the offer by Rocket Spanish. This course has a high gravity score, which is an indication of how often affiliates are making money with this program just in the last week. With this specific course, you can earn up to 100% per sale teaching other people to speak another language. So if you're selling 10 of these a week, you're looking at $5,000 a month just for promoting language courses. Now, I'm not saying that you're automatically going to make that, but I'm just sharing with you that it's reasonably possible for promoting this offer. Now, once you've found an offer that you think is interesting and valuable to promote, click on the link to visit the offer page. We want to see what's being offered so we have an idea of what we're promoting. Here's a screenshot of the Rocket Language dashboard that they actually offer as a 7-day free trial, which I'd recommend to try if it interests you. Now, if you like what you see and you feel good about promoting the products, click on the promote button. After this, you'll enter the account name, in which you could just make it up. Then you're going to click on generate hop links. This hop link is your affiliate link. In other words, when someone clicks on this link and purchases the language course, you get the commission we were just talking about earlier. So just for recommending one of the best language learning courses on the internet, we can potentially make $100 per sale. Now on to step 3 is to figure out how to use an affiliate funnel. Now it's time to promote this offer and get the traffic. How do we do this effectively? The typical way I've seen this is people just go and spam their affiliate link all over Facebook groups and forums and private chat rooms. You may make some sales doing this, but you can actually get into a possibility of not making this into an actual business. So if you want to build a business, then you need an email list. And that's built around the product that you'll be promoting. And it's simple as that. Building an email list builds trust and enables you to develop relationships with your list. Your email list will much more likely purchase when they know who you are, like, and trust you. The key to building an email list is to offer something of value for free in exchange for an email address. This free offer is sometimes called a lead magnet. It could be a cheat sheet or a free guide to start to learn Spanish. Now, I'm not a professional Spanish speaker and I wouldn't be able to create this free guide or cheat sheet with any level of competency, but you do have some options. Option number 1 would be to compile a list of top 5 languages. You can think of places like Duolingo or Rosetta Stone. Another option is to find someone on Fiverr or Upwork who speaks Spanish and that can quickly make a 5 to 6 page PDF document that details the top 5-6 keys to learning Spanish quickly. With the 2 methods listed above, you'll be able to get a free lead magnet. And now once you have it, how do you actually give it to people and get their email addresses? Well, that's where a sales funnel comes in. The first part of a sales funnel is the opt-in page. This is a simple single-page website that you can use to collect the names and email addresses in exchange for a free product, or like the cheat sheet mentioned earlier. After you've received the email address, you then direct them to click on a thank you page. On the back end, we'll get an automated email on its way to the subscriber with their free guide. Meanwhile, we get an automated email letting us know that there was a new subscriber. And we now have an opportunity to make a sale by promoting the affiliate offer as a button with our affiliate link on the thank you page. Some people would say that if you really want to build trust, you should not sell on the thank you page. But my view is that because people subscribe to my email list, I have plenty of time to build trust. But if someone is ready right then and now to learn a new language, I don't want to rob them of the program that will teach them these skills. A good chunk of people are already ready to purchase right out of the gate, and we want to make it as easy as possible for them to do just that. Plus, the best time to sell in these situations is right after someone has made a small conversion step, such as providing an email address. So let's say though that no one purchases from your link on the thank you page. That's okay. We have their email address and we can target them as long as they're subscribed. If you're curious about how I set this funnel up, I use a software called ClickFunnels. Of the other funnel building softwares out there, ClickFunnels is number 1. It's super easy to use, it's user friendly, and has tons of ready to use templates. They've made it easy for us non-technical people to get up and running within hours, even minutes, honestly. I've got a link in the description below for a 14-day free trial, so go check it out. So that's the method of making money online from promoting language courses. I obviously don't have time to get into all the details right now, but you're basically going to be setting up an autoresponder, which will automatically send emails to people that build trust. Or you can even learn how to run ads on Facebook to get more emails. This was meant to be an introduction on how it's possible with affiliate marketing and awesome products. And I hope you try this method even if it's just a bit interesting to you. But if you're serious about starting online and building a long-term business, then it's really important that you set this up right and do it the right way. The good news is that everything I've actually talked about and gone through is broken down in a course by Anthony Morrison, and it's called Partner with Anthony. He's a very successful online marketer and business owner. The course covers setting up high-converting sales funnels, creating an email follow-up series, as well as how to optimize your email marketing business for maximum results. What's really amazing about this course is that it's less than $10 a month, and it includes a done-for-you funnels and emails. I highly recommend to check the link out in the description below. And that's a wrap, YouTube. If I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video I've linked in either the card above or the end screen. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.